Today we're going to go from this to this. Wow, look at that. I've had these refinished several times. I've even refinished them myself, but it is time to put on some new ones. Okay, I've turned the wheel in, and I'm going to start with these 3 screws right here. Okay, this comes out, and we need to get to this guy right here, and this is 5/16. And so we're going to take this screw out, this one, and this little bolt next. And you'll see they pop out like that. This one is also 5/16. And then we have 2 bolts holding on the actual light up here, and these 2 are 10 millimeter. So here's the new lights. I'm so excited about these. They're great brand, Dorman, and is the cheapest I could find as well. Good quality. They I'll put the links to them in the Amazon links to them, which is where I got them, free shipping with Prime. And I love how they are packaged as well for their arrival. They've got all this foam that is built around it for shipping, and they're packaged really well, and they're made really well. See how it has the form-fitting packaging. Just look how nice these are. Oh, got it upside down. Absolutely beautiful. They have this nice film on them as well to protect the lights. They actually also come with all the bulbs in them as well. Pretty good deal. And one thing I want to show you on this is that we have one more bolt to get to. It's the hardest one, but it's really not that bad. It's this one right down here. I think the best way to get to it is this assembly will drop out. It looks worse than it is, but I'm able to get to the bolt here very easily once this comes out, and literally it just fits right back up. It's not a big deal. So I've got all of the bolts out for this one. This one's going next. Okay, I'm putting these side by side. Look at the difference, the new one and the old one. Wow. Okay, we're ready to put this in. Okay, we're gonna leave this film on while we're putting this back in, so we don't want to scratch the new one. Also, these lights that are already in there, and they already have the connectors ready to go, so we don't have to do anything there. It also has the metal plate already built into the actual light. So we'll get this back in now. Here we go. Okay, when you're taking these old bulbs out, just be gentle, because these plastic parts are getting old. But I use this standard little screwdriver, and that's what got it out. All right, it came with this connector here. I just took it off because I'm just going to use the existing thing that was on there. And then if you look down here, right there, little plastic piece right in the middle of the screen there. You see that? And that needs to connect. I'm going to put these in first to secure the top. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and test the lights, make sure they're working before we go any further. All right, testing this side. Lights on, blinkers on. Okay, this side is fitting in super easy, and just going to go ahead and tighten everything down. Yeah, it's much easier to get to that corner bolt with this bumper cover off. Right in there. Just make sure that's tight. Okay, everything is just popping back up where it's supposed to be as far as the bumper cover, and we're just putting all the bolts back in the way they were. Yeah, not too tight on those because you don't want them to strip out. Okay, we're going to put this back right in there. Okay, one thing I'm noticing on that last bolt that we're putting in on the side, you have to take the clip off the old unit, and they're a little bit of a pain to take off. Got to use a standard screwdriver, but you need these clips off the old one. Okay, it's good to make sure we get all these parts back together because you don't want anything rattling around in there. You want to make sure everything is secure and back to the way it was. So we're almost there. Okay, and there we have it. I'm gonna, very final last step, I'm gonna take this plastic wrap off. Definitely want to do this at the very end so you don't get any scratches on your new headlamps. Oh, those are beautiful. All right, look at that. Amazing.